Hello, today I have telequipment oscilloscope type d1011 for sale. It is in fully working restored condition. The probes are not included. Here's a look at the top. Very clean, almost no scratches, just a little bit of sticker residue. Trigger input, BNC there, ground and calibration. Two channel inputs. This is a 10 megahertz dual channel oscilloscope. Here's a look at the back. Right now this oscilloscope is displaying a 9.5 megahertz sine wave. All the controls work perfectly. Offset for both channels. This one too. Here we have DC coupling, ground coupling, AC coupling, channel 1 off. For second channel, because the switch broke, it was replaced with a rotary switch down here. AC coupling, ground coupling, and DC coupling. There we go. Trigger level, right now it's on auto, triggering very well. We can set the trigger here. Working beautifully. This is the speed of the sweep. All working well. Sweep, fine adjust. Right now it's triggering off channel 2. Also triggers off channel 1. No problem. This is the same signal fed into both channels. Also has TV triggering. So that all works. The intensity is not very hot, but for just a starter scope it's not bad at all. Focus isn't bad either. Beam finder works. That was on magnification over there. Here we can see the signal. Overall, a very nice scope, cared for. Right now I'm going to stick a 26 megahertz crystal on there to show you that it can actually outperform 10 megahertz. Okay, so here is the 10 megahertz oscilloscope displaying 26 megahertz. It's running off a crystal there. Okay, so now here the scope is running off its calibrator output, off from the side. Nice sharp rise and fall. Last signal I'm going to show on here is just some 60 Hz mains. And lastly, here is the scope showing some 60 Hz mains. That darkness on there is just because it shows up on camera like that because of the camera's refresh rate. It's actually a nice solid trace. Okay, so again, the probes are not included, and this is a fully functional 10 MHz telequipment d1011 oscilloscope. If you have any questions, email me at flybackarc@gmail.com. Thank you.